Everyone guys, so for today's video guys, no, gagawa tayo ng mosquito repellent yan. Ito yung gagamitin natin guys, which is oregano leaves, and this is tanglad leaves, lemongrass. So naisipan ko lang guys gumawa ng anti-lamok or repellent guys, kasi kanina kinagat ako ng lamok. So naisip ko lang na gumawa tayo para magamit natin. So, ito yung ingredients lang naman natin. We have this oregano and lemongrass, and of course, we have this empty bottles na mga spray. So, ngayon guys, chop muna natin ng maliliit to. Tapos, ilalaga lang natin. Ganun lang siya kadali guys. Ayan. Isa-chop muna natin guys para mas maano yung lalabas yung katas na.